Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pomegranate shandy. If you have never had a shandy before, don't panic. It is not hard to make, but it is kind of fancy feeling, and it's a perfect Valentine's Day cocktail or just everyday cocktail. A shandy is a cocktail with a beer base. Traditionally, the most common mixers I've seen for shandies are lemonade and ginger ale. But you can really make a shandy with any juice you want. So a shandy is really just beer and a juice mixer. And I'm fancying this up a little bit. So first let's look at our ingredients. We've got our beer. This is just a vegan lager. You can use your favorite vegan lager. If you want to know if your beer is vegan, just look it up on barnivore.com. We're going to add some lime to it to give it a little tang. Then we're going to add a little bit of pomegranate juice. And then just a half a shot of pomegranate liqueur. If you are not into pomegranate liqueur or you can't find it, you can just add an extra tablespoon of the pomegranate juice per glass. So no worries. And that's all you need. So let's make it. The first thing you're gonna do is juice half of the lime right into your glass. And then just drop that half lime right in there. Easy peasy. And then you want to divide the pomegranate juice also between your two glasses. So this is a half cup of pomegranate juice, and I'm going to do a quarter cup in each glass. And then you're also going to divide your pomegranate liqueur into each glass. So this is a full shot, and I'm just going to eyeball half a shot into each. Seems about right. The next step is to add your beer, and you just want to do a nice, careful, slow pour so you don't get too much foam. And this one can of beer is actually going to make 2 shandies. So you want to divide the can between your 2 glasses, and you can just kind of eyeball it, or if you want to be precise, you can do 6 ounces per glass, but this particular cocktail is not science. The next thing we're going to do is top these glasses off with some ice. And I'm sorry it's so loud, but that's ice. All right, and then we're just going to top each jar off with a little bit of soda water. You might not even need it, depending on the size of your glass, but if you're using a full pint glass, you probably will. And then we're just going to do a wedge of lime on each glass. I like a big old wedge of lime. And then, of course, it wouldn't be a fun cocktail without fancy straws. Woo. And that's it. You're ready to serve.